Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.